Thank you for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within. In the studio today, we have Paula Williams. She's a very special guest of mine. Do you know why, beauties? Because she's my mom. Welcome, my mom.
Hello, everybody. Thank you.
Yay. So, Mom, I'm really proud of you for starting your own business. And I just kind of want you to tell Inward Beauty why you started your own business. Now, let me give you guys the backstory. My mom never really had to work because my dad took care of everything. I'm the oldest of 6. And my mom never really had to work because my dad took care of everything. But my father passed away in 2008, and my mom has been a boss chick ever since. She went out and bought this boss chick truck, and she had a license plate saying, "Girls drive trucks too."
Right.
I mean, she was just doing it really, really big. She helped me in some of my businesses, doing what she wanted to do. She never did what I asked her to do. But it was a beautiful thing. And Mom, I'm so glad to have you on Inward Beauty. Thank you for coming. So congratulations on your business. So my mom is in a very, very profitable business. My mom is in a very profitable business. It's controversial, hot CBD oil. What is CBD oil? Why did you get started in this business? And then we'll have your partner tell us some of all the amazing things that she knows about CBD oil.
I never liked the unnatural way of medicine. And I'm not against it because it works for a whole lot of people, you know. But myself, I like everything that's going to be natural as far as what I induce. That's supposed to heal my body, because we already know that our body heals itself when we get the proper rest and the proper nutrition.
Right.
Without the proper rest and the proper nutrition, our body doesn't get a chance to do what it was already designed to do from God. And by using CBD oil, which is another natural, it's a natural base, it's a natural plant, it's a natural herb that's been given from the earth, through the earth, from God, from the Creator. And so everything that's in it is natural, and it does almost everything to the human body as far as pain, and I mean, it just functions and works for a lot of things that a lot of people wouldn't even believe that it worked for in your body. And that was one thing that really sold me.
So is CBD oil the same as the hemp oil I've been ingesting and rubbing on my body, putting in my hair products since 2001?
Exactly.
Yeah, they're exactly the same. I know, like, a lot of people usually get afraid of the CBD because they automatically assume that because it comes from the marijuana plant that it is marijuana, when in fact it is not. CBD and THC can be cultivated from the same plant. However, hemp is where CBD is cultivated from, and marijuana, of course, is where THC. CBD actually is, like it says, a naturally occurring substance inside of the marijuana plant. It's the less non-psychoactive ingredient, and it has a lot of moisturizing benefits. So it's great for beauty and skincare. It has a lot of, like I said, fatty acids that also help with in the immune system and digestion. What CBD is really known for is providing a calming, soothing, relaxing effect. That's the number one once ingested thing that CBD pretty much gives. So a lot of people who usually deal with things like stress or anxiety are usually prescribed CBD as an alternative to Western medicine that are usually harmful.
Good stuff. So one of the things I think I saw on your website was that most of your products have 0.3% of the CBD oil in it. It will not be detected in your bloodstream, and it's totally safe. It's natural. What are some of the benefits of CBD oil?
CBD oil is good for a lot of things. It's good for high blood pressure. It's good for lowering your blood sugar. It is good for pain. Like I said, it's real good for pains. It is good for memory loss. It's good for, there are so many medicinal things that the CBD oil is very powerful in its benefits towards and inside our body. I mean, that's just to name a few, but it's good and great for a lot of things. And it's all natural. Again, it's all natural.
Well, you guys, I want you guys to show my mom some love. Again, I'm extremely proud of her for starting her own business. I had to get the entrepreneurial gene from someone, and so thank you for passing that along. Hey,
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank me. No, thank you.
Thank you too.
Okay.
That's neat.
Okay. So I'm gonna put a link below where you guys can check out my mom's products. Show her some love, you guys, and check out some of the great things she has. She has some sexual healing, sexual beneficial products, great topicals, amazing tinctures, sexual health,
Enhancers,
libido stimulating,
enhancers,
gummies.
Yeah.
Oh, libido enhancers.
She made sure to say that.
Libido enhancer. No,
a lot
please
of
don't do that.
edibles.
Libido enhancer. She has edibles. So you guys check it out. Thanks for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within. Mom, thank you so much for joining us today on Inward Beauty.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, and hopefully we can have you back some more. How do you feel about me losing 90 pounds and keeping it off?
Oh my God. It was long overdue. And I'm working on it too.
So I think my mom is going to join us on our next challenge. Look forward to seeing you guys again.
Bye-bye.